Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Make Me Move Shorts feature. Make Me Move is a specific AI tool within the YouTube Shorts Creator Suite, powered by Google's VO technology. Now to access this feature, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this plus icon. From there, select your media or just take a photo, and once you take that image, all you have to do is you will find this option called photo to video with a Google Gemini icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can select from the suggestions given or just type in your specific prompt like make me move. Now once I've typed in my specific prompt, all I have to do is go ahead and tap on this arrow button and YouTube's this. And once the video is generated, you can go ahead and tap on the next button located mostly at the bottom right. And once you tap on it, you'll be able to post your content from there or just save it to your device. And that is how you use this Make Me Move feature on YouTube Shorts, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.